everybody, I'm Chef Cazy from Grade 4, Section Ruby. Today I will be cooking my favorite dish, Sinigang na Salmon. The ingredients we need to cook this Sinigang na Salmon are spinach, tomato, okra, and green chili, garlic, onion, patis, sinigang mix, oil, black pepper, and of course the salmon. First, we have to make sure that our hands are clean, but since I already washed my hands, we will wash the vegetables. I already washed the vegetables and the fish, and I seasoned the salmon with salt and pepper. First, we're gonna slightly fry the salmon to lessen the fish smell. After the cooking oil has been preheated, time to fry the salmon for around 5 minutes, only on each side. Slice the onion, garlic, ginger, tomato, and okra so that it will fit in the pan when you simmer it. Since I am done frying the salmon, we're gonna start making the sinigang. Saute the onion, garlic, ginger, and tomato for a few minutes. Add water and bring to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add sinigang mix and fish sauce. Mix, then add the salmon, followed by green chili and okra, and let this simmer for 5 minutes. Lastly, add the spinach. This is it. This is my sinigang na salmon. Enjoy! Oh wait, I forgot to wash the plate.